Proverbs 4 and 7. Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom, and with all thy getting, get an understanding. Good morning, loves. I am going to make a canvas picture. And here is my canvas. I got a 24 by 30. I have Mod Podge, my brush, an X-Acto knife, and a pencil, and a ruler. Because my pictures are 24 by 36, so therefore I have to cut 3 inches off of each side. And we're gonna go ahead and see how this works. I'll be back. It's gonna be wonderful. Okay, loves, I have gone ahead and lined it up so that everything can fit on the canvas really well. And now I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife and give it a good slit, and then we will be ready for the next step. Stay tuned. Okay, loves, there are my 2 pieces that I actually had to cut off so that it can actually fit perfect on my canvas, which is 24 by 36. Let's go to the next step. Okay, guys, so I have laid newspaper all around. Since I am on carpet, I don't want anything to get on the carpet. And this is my Mod Podge. I got gloss luster, so it'll have some type of shine. And let's get started. We're gonna first take the Mod Podge. I'm gonna pour it all over the canvas, and then I'm going to just smooth it out before I go to the next step. Give me one moment, I'll be back. I have poured a generous amount. I'm gonna put on my gloves. I'm gonna take this little shimmy and I'm going to start spreading it. Give me one moment, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just take it. And I'm gonna spread it as evenly as possible. I'm gonna take that and take it away from the edges. Got a little slip over. Give me one moment so I can work really fast. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am complete with actually just smoothing all of the Mod Podge over the canvas. Now to the next part, I have my print. So we're gonna go ahead and smooth that on there and make sure that it's super smooth and no bubbles. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we have it. We have the print that's all over it. And now I'm gonna take this other canvas and lay it on top of it to make sure that it's nice and smooth, bubble free. Okay, loves, we're on to the next step. We have the print adhered to the canvas. Now we have poured more Mod Podge on top of the actual picture, and we're gonna go ahead and smooth it out. Now that we have Mod Podge the whole entire thing, it's white right now, but we're going to know when it dries, it's going to dry clear. And I am about to give it the full canvas look, but I think I have a bubble right here. And I don't want anything on there. So I'm going to take the other canvas and I'm going to press it on so I can give it that canvas look. Make sure that it's even. Smooth it out. It's going to have the canvas look. And we'll be back once it dries. This is it after I have compressed it a little bit. And we're going to let it dry. This is what we're working with thus far. It's not dry, so I'm going to let it dry. And then I'll tell you the final results. And guys, here it is. I'm going to hang it on the wall momentarily. Hey loves, here are the completed portraits. Just think you can turn any selfie or any portrait into a canvas portrait that you can put on your wall. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification button, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.